Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Part of the Toyota family. It's a Lexus. And this is gorgeous 2013 Lexus ES350 if I'm correct. I'm not a Lexus expert whatsoever. I did work on some and I will probably not do that in the future. We don't have a dealer here. You will be surprised how difficult it is to specify the parts. The Toyota dealer will not talk to you because they say the VIN will not register it in our part system. Call Lexus dealer. Then what's interesting, when you cross match the parts like air suspension, it will be the identical number at the end, and if it's going through the Lexus dealer, it costs like 50% more for identical part. This is at least my experience. This one I waited when everybody will leave. I can do walk around and tell you warning, tell you the short story and warning what not to do if you own Toyota or Lexus with super long miles. I was told that this one has approximately only 30,000 miles on the odometer, and the owners, in illusion or delusion, thinking, hey, this is almost brand new, they had some coolant warning lights on and they didn't really pay attention to it. They kept driving. Then it overheated and they found out there was some missing coolant, so they filled it with the water and kept driving. Of course, you can imagine what the results are and why it is still here and it's becoming dirty. When it came, this was shining like an absolutely brand new vehicle, and it has the Toyota's 2GR FE, very bulletproof engine. There's no way it should fail at 30,000 miles, but it did. The engine is kaput, completely done. And the reason I want to share it with you, actually want to show you how you can luck out with the used engine from the dismantler. The engine arrived today. I saw it in the shop. They will be replacing it. The owners apparently decided to save the car and replace the engine, but they lucked out. The engine which came today looks brand new. Let's wait when the shop will open tomorrow, and I will go there with a camera and show you. It's fascinating what you can get for approximately $2,000. I borrowed the key to show you the gorgeous Lexus interior. Obviously the Lexuses are way more expensive, maybe Toyota product, but it's different, absolutely different quality and luxury and leather everywhere, real wood and so on. You can see the hand-stitched steering wheel with real leather. Obviously the stitching is gorgeous, and the real wood. This is different stuff, and there is a reason why these vehicles are equipped with engine coolant gauge. So this is not here for beautification of interior. This gauge, my friend, needs to be time to time gazed at, looked at. Right now it's at minimum, obviously, because the engine is not running and I'm just filming this video. But please, if you own the car, if you own the vehicle and you keep driving, you have to make sure that gauge, it's not getting the little mark, doesn't go to the red, to the hot area. Ideally, it's always in the middle. That's where it should stay under all driving conditions. That helps you to prevent what happened to this beautiful Lexus, which is in the need of new replacement engine. And here is the engine, and don't you think this looks brand new? I will show you details. What do you get when you buy an engine from dismantler? They are in a rush, so what you will find out, everything is cut off. I guess that's the way the industry works. So all the wiring, all the sensors, if you look at it, as the dismantler is doing the job, they just snip everything off. It's unbelievable, but that's the way it is. This engine, we were looking at it all together here. This engine seems to be brand new. Even the oil is new. If you look inside, there's absolute zero of heat damage. Look at the injectors, look at the valley. Let me switch the mode on the camera. It will be showing the details better. Yeah, so look at it. We were looking at it here with my landlord slash neighboring shop, and we are like this. People are very lucky. This looks brand new. I think there's mileage shown on this engine on this, let's say, the VIN. So it came out of ES350 2013, and this is incredible. I don't see mileage. It's a 2GRFE. Yeah, what do you think of it? I will say extreme luck. Here is the water pump, which apparently was leaking. There is, guys, absolute zero play on this. The pulley is still here. The main harmonic balancer, main crank pulley, water pump. This is unbelievable. Look at the valve cover gaskets. This all looks brand new. Or the VVTi actuators, everything is here, so that's a lot of parts. This was a big score for the shop and mainly for the owner of that Lexus, which is, right, it's the next day, everybody's back at work, it's very busy here. I'm lucky there's not more noise and you can hear me. It's a busy shop. Look at the filter here, unbelievable. The dipstick, there are still the gaskets, the gasket for the exhaust, it's still here. Everything is plugged. This dismantler, it's a Northern California LKQ. It seems to be they are serious about that, about what they do. Look at that, guys. Absolutely incredible. So I want to show you, this is something you don't see every day, in my opinion. This is how the business work. The owners of Lexus made a choice. They will get the new engine, and in my opinion they left out. Look at this baby. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm very happy I had the time and opportunity to show you again something interesting from the automotive world of repairing cars. Which of course reminds me, I still have the project right here, and that's the 1GR FE V6 4-liter engine, which I bought broken. You see the location of the water pump, it's identical. The stuff it's removed. This one was apparently had died at 280,000 miles. We still don't know why, it just lost power. Was not really diagnosed, it was replaced. And I bought it to film this, dismantling it, and show you every single detail, how it's bolted together, how you remove that front timing chain cover, but I never find the time to deal with it. So thank you for your patience, because I better get inspired and hop back on this project. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please give it a thumb up. It apparently helps. Make sure you are subscribed, you have notifications, so this channel can keep existing on this YouTube platform. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, my friend.